Hey guys, it's Ben with Performance Kings Honda, and today we're gonna go over how to set up and use Apple CarPlay. Okay, so I'm in a Honda Pilot, but that shouldn't matter too much because any Honda vehicle with Apple CarPlay should have a very similar process to setting this up. Okay, so the two things you'll need is obviously your phone and a data certified lightning cable. A data certified lightning cable simply just means it's capable of transferring data as well as charging your phone. All Apple lightning cables are data certified, so if you have one of those, just use that. But sometimes the cheap lightning cables that you get from gas stations might not be data certified, so it won't work and it won't be able to connect your phone to your Apple CarPlay. Okay, so once you have the right stuff, it's actually super simple to set up Apple CarPlay. First, you're gonna press home to make sure you're on the main screen, and then you're gonna find the icon that says Apple CarPlay. You're gonna press it and it's gonna say Apple CarPlay unavailable. But that's when you're gonna take the data certified lightning cable and you're gonna find the USB port somewhere on your dashboard or in your center console and plug it in, and then plug in your phone. And this should automatically detect your phone to your car. And it's gonna say enable Apple CarPlay for this device. And you're gonna click remember my selection, assuming this is your car and you're gonna be in a lot, and you click enable. And now it's already set up. Apple CarPlay connected. And it's going to ask you Honda Link Assist, which is if you get in a car crash, it's going to try to contact emergency services using your connected phone. I'm going to press no because this isn't my car. I'm just using it for the tutorial purposes, but you can decide if you want that. And it says Apple CarPlay connected. Okay, and there's your messages. You can do navigation, music, all types of things. Now that that's set up, you don't need your phone anymore. You can put it down. And now it's gonna look like your phone, but only the apps that have Apple CarPlay capabilities are gonna be on the screen. You can swipe through the pages and find all of the apps, like messages, music, phone, and more. Well, I hope that helped clear up any confusion you have about connecting your phone to Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Performance Kings Honda or just stop by the store. We'd love to help you out.